Welcome to Organic Art Miniatures out in a park. And this beautiful bird. I see if I can zoom. There has been something odd with the camera. Oops. Oops. No, it's not really focusing. Try once again. Well, Christmas is over. In Sweden we have had quite a warm winter Christmas season so far. I guess we will have plenty of time to have minus 10 degrees, minus 18, more or something like that. The bird agrees with me. I hope you have had a wonderful Christmas. I have heard from several YouTubers, healers, tarot readers, artists, healing artists, and reliable people. I have heard that Christmas has been very different for many people this year. It has maybe been quite a lonely Christmas. What does it mean, lonely? It means that maybe people spent it without company. I believe in astrology. I believe in organic art miniatures, recycling sort of everything. Fruit peels, parsnip peels, and never recycle birds. Let them live their own life. They are enough as they are. Anyway, I believe also in astrology. And I believe in divination tools. And I believe in people from the other side. Who are they? They are my ancestors. They're my close relatives. Well, I'm vegan since 30 years. So I also feel a lot of compassion for animals. And since I never abuse animals, I can hear them, I can feel them. They listen to me and I listen to them, as well as I listen to my two cats, Sophie and Kuro. This is quite a personal video. I just felt like doing it, and I get inspired by my guides, my ancestors. They told me right now that this is good for me to speak to you. Maybe you would like me to do a tarot reading for you. Maybe you would like to buy stuff from me. I have a lot of stuff to sell. I recently got back stuff and art and organic art miniatures that has been put away in a storage room. So, the bird is still here, and so am I. I wish you a wonderful weekend just before Chiron stations direct, which will affect at least me a lot. Thank you. No focus on the bird. I'm sorry, no focus on the bird. There! I think it's actually jumped down to get filmed. Maybe also to get a snack. I appreciate you, subscribers. Please share my content and make me happy. Thank you.